what makes a hero? A normal person, someone that you can connect to, someone that you can talk to. It doesn't have to be like Spider-Man or something. Just someone that you connect with.
Gerard is a hero to me because he's a huge inspiration. The simple part like him going from being a nobody in high school to what he is now. The way he recovered from his alcoholism in 10 days, and the dedication he has to his fans, and how much he wants them to keep fighting. In the early 2000s, Gerard was suicidal, depressed, an alcoholic, and was on a lot of drugs. At one point, he went missing for a couple days and had to call his tour manager, and he had to talk him out of committing suicide from across the country over the phone. Gerard was at a bad place, and he knew it. He became sober on August 11, 2004, and has been sober ever since. I would say Gerard is a hero because he's so real. He went through a period where he almost died, but I figure if he can make it out alive, so can I. He is my hero because he never stops believing in me, and every MCR fan out there, and he is constantly reminding me that I am worth it, that I am beautiful, and that everything will be alright.
I think somebody fell down and they're getting crushed. And that was an intense moment. So if you guys would have started jumping, you probably would have killed that girl.
And then nothing is worth hurting yourself over! Nothing is worth taking your life over!
How much you feel like an outsider. Sometimes the only place you feel like you fit in is a rock show like this. Am I correct? But that's not always true, because we're a bunch of outsiders too. And there's a lot more of us than there are of them, you know what I'm saying? Peace! So, what we're gonna say to you today is if you find yourself depressed, desperate, upset, like an outcast, the one thing you never do is act out in violence. You never act out in violence.
Gerard is married to Lindsay and they have a daughter, and as far as we know, happy with where he is in his life.
George, you're a dad now.
I am a dad.
And when did that happen?
Gerard showed me that no matter your past, you can make it.